Hey everyone, Alex here with a bit of a different video. Now, we are in a different space because right now, winter has come in with full force and is back. All right, but we're gonna give you a little bit of an unboxing experience. I hope you missed me. I missed all of you. Let's get right into it. Now, today is something a little bit of a collaboration between the podcast that Joy Belinsky and myself run called Detail Grind Podcast. And as a special guest this Friday, March 13th, another Friday the 13th, what can I say? We're going to have the amazing team over at Flex to answer some of your questions. So be sure to tune into that. And if you're catching this after the fact, we got the replay. I'll link it down below and, don't fret. But hey, when it comes to talking to these companies, sometimes I like to share some of the product to get a real feel for it, see what it's really like. And what can I say? I got something like that for you. Okay. So in front of me, I'm just going to block out my whole face here. I have the newest 24 volt flex polisher. Now, if you're into item numbers, this is the FX3321-2C. So yes, a random orbital machine. Okay. That being said, I did have my hands on this at SEMA. Does feel like a very nice machine, but when it's in your own environment, it's a little bit nicer. What do you say we crack this bad boy open, shall we? Now, what I don't have pictured here is some pads that they also sent, but you're going to see those in later videos. Okay, this is just an unboxing. This is just to get your toes wet. And this has that knife right here from my friend Jose. Best unboxing experience you can have, right? So a couple things about this, a very large box, is that this is my first long throw, if you will, battery powered polisher. So a couple of the specs on here are 20% more power, 25% longer runtime, and 50% faster charging. And I have a bit of an idea as to why that is. And first impressions, opening this up, you have a nice flex bag. And you're going to be asking, Alex, what's that for? Well, this is to flex on your friends, all right? This, you can't even see my face right now. Nice big opening. You can throw the polisher in there, carry that around your heart's content. You can take it shopping. You can take it to the, Costco, the store, whatever you want to do. Bit of a literature packet here. A couple flex stickers. Who doesn't love stickers? We're going to set that to the side for now. We don't need that. We're experts, right? Speaking of experts, there's actually a little tool in there that I'm foreshadowing probably gonna need. And here we got not one, but two 24 volt 5 amp batteries. Now this is the kit, okay? So the kit comes with all the good stuff. So this is, yes, both 5 amp hours, so gonna get you a lot of runtime. Again, the nice thing with battery powered polishing is have one on the charger, one on the tool. You can go to your heart's content. So we do have a backing plate here as well. Nice little kind of that reverse Velcro technology. And one of my biggest things, it may not excite a lot of people, but we have a 160 watt fast charger, okay? So I know chargers are not very exciting to people, but this is gonna rip. I can just feel it already, okay? 160 watts, that's gonna give you a lot of juice. So we'll set that to the side. It does have the little keyholes in the back if you want to shelf mount it or wall mount it, whatever you want to do. Set that to the side. Everyone loves a little bit of cardboard. And what we're really here to see is this guy. Nice and wrapped in a bag. Very good packaging within this flex box. Crack this open here. All right, so by default, from what I can tell, it does come with the larger 6-inch backing plate. This one is going to be for your 5-inch pads. Okay, you can see the difference. All right, so we're gonna go ahead, slap a battery on there, crank this open. And if you're wondering what the throw is, they slap it right on the front there. So it's a 15 millimeter throw. So what that means is that not only is it going in a straight circle, but it's also oscillating kind of like a random orbit. Obviously, given the random orbital. So the 5-inch is accommodating to a lot of the pads that I have, and a 6-inch plate for the 6-inch pads. This is typically on a 21mm throw, but it still works just as fine with a 15 throw. So to actually get that off, I'm assuming that we actually just kind of use that tool, pop that off.
Hey guys, Future Alex here. That tool is actually used to remove those 3 hex fasteners you see on the backing plate to switch those out. Thought I'd let you know real quick.
What's going on, because there's a bunch of little clips here that you can see. So I don't know if these batteries have any juice, but with this one, the battery is rear mounted right on the base of the machine. So the center of gravity, kind of just like have it on a finger there. Kind of find that isn't too bad, but pretty nice little machine. Does have a good weight to it. The click itself for the speed controls, hold that right up to the mic. Pretty tactile, so that's kind of nice. And it does have a speed dial right on the top as well. Hopefully the camera can kind of focus in on that. So dial 1 is 2700 OPM, which is oscillations per minute. And then we got speed 2 at 3900, 5100 at 3, 6300 at 4, 7500 at 5, and 8700 at 6, and some increments in between. Now, you also do have a little button here on the battery, right on the front, and just shows a little level. So I got 1 out of 4 bars here. And that feels pretty darn good, okay? So the front is kind of a unique little shape there. So depending on how you like to use your polisher, you know, this may take a little bit of adjusting depending on what you've used in the past. So for this, I'm thinking more of kind of a grip here, or maybe a finger or 2 there. Again, just depends on what's comfortable for you. And the nice thing is that I can actually just stand that polisher up, not having to lay it on the floor, anything like that. So again, a really nice tool. You do have, I'm gonna put this down on speed 1, but you do have a trigger lock here as well. So I'm not even touching the trigger. Press that, release it, and it's nice and ready to go, okay? So thought that'd give you a nice little quick look on the 15mm throw, new flex polisher and their 24-volt system. And again, like I mentioned, do check out the podcast episode, because you're going to be in for a real treat answering all of your questions. If you have any additional questions outside of the podcast, do leave them below in the comment section. I would really appreciate that. Drop a like and subscribe if that's what you're into. So we will see you again in the next video, and take care.